Welcome to ScottyCast. Thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to be talking about my wonderful place where I quote-unquote live. I have been living in hell since July 28th of this year. I moved here from Switzerland, where I also left because of something quite bad, but the point is that ever since July 28th of this year, I've been living in this apartment building where there's been nothing, and I mean nothing but problems. It's really sad to think that what should be a luxury apartment is actually not. I mean, when you have an apartment where there's no hot water for days and electricity goes off for a period of days also, and where the management never responds to anything that you ever ask for, it just, to me, totally unacceptable. I won't mention the name of the management company, but I can just say that they are located in Stockholm, not far from where I live, and that they are actually found out from one of my friends they're run by the mafia, which is pretty scary. And I actually had once a threat from the man who claimed to be the owner of this place, that he actually threatened to have the court come after me the next day, and of course no one ever came. I haven't paid rent since the day I moved in because so many things were wrong. They have a couple times asked me why I wasn't paying, and I told them, but I have to heat my apartment with my oven. There's no other heater in here. The radiators don't work in here. None of the radiators. I don't know what I'm going to do in wintertime. I hope I can afford an electric radiator or something like that, because the ones that are here installed don't work. So between the water pressure being terrible here, the temperature of the water being bad, not having things fixed in my apartment, ever since July 28th, very few things have been fixed. And I'm trying to stay calm, and I'm trying to understand the world a little bit right now, but in any case, I just had to put that out there because people have to know that they should never come and live where I live. Okay, I'm not going to say the name, but try to find out where I live and don't ever come here, because it's very, very, very bad. But thank you anyway for listening to ScottyCast, and all the best to you, and come back and tell your friends about ScottyCast. Bye-bye.